Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to receive a refund for a missing product from your Amazon order. If you've ever had a package that never showed up or items missing from your delivery, Amazon has a straightforward process to help you get your money back or receive a replacement. Let's walk through the steps to make sure you get this resolved quickly. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the toolbar. Here you need to click on Returns and Orders. This section houses all your purchase history and gives you access to the tools you need to manage any issues with your deliveries. Now, although I don't have any active orders to show you right now, I'll guide you through what comes next. Once you're on the Returns and Orders page, you'll see a list of your recent purchases. Scroll through and locate the order that's missing the product or package. When you find it, look for the option that says Problem with Order and click on it. This button is your gateway to reporting any issues directly to Amazon's support system. After clicking that, you'll be presented with a menu of different problem types. From these options, select either item not received or missing package depending on what matches your situation. This tells Amazon exactly what went wrong with your delivery. Once you've made your selection, the next screen will guide you forward and you should see a button labeled Request a Refund or a similar on-screen prompt that allows you to proceed with the refund process. Go ahead and click on that. Amazon will then ask you to provide a bit more detail about what happened. Type a short explanation describing what's missing from your order. Keep it clear and to the point. You don't need to write a novel, just enough so they understand the issue. You may also be asked to confirm your delivery address to verify that the package was supposed to arrive at the correct location. Make sure everything looks accurate before moving on. Once you've entered all the necessary information, look for the button that says Submit or Send and click it to officially file your request. At this point, your refund claim is in Amazon's hands and they'll begin reviewing it. Typically, this process is pretty quick, but you'll want to keep an eye on your notifications. Next, open your email inbox or check the Amazon Message Center within your account. Amazon will send you a reply confirming they received your request and will provide updates on the status. This message might include information about whether they're issuing an immediate refund, sending a replacement, or launching a brief investigation into the delivery. Finally, make sure to follow any instructions Amazon provides in their response. They might approve your refund right away, or they could ask for a bit more information depending on the situation. Either way, staying on top of their messages ensures you get your resolution as fast as possible. And that's it. You've successfully filed a refund request for a missing Amazon product, and you should hear back from them soon with a resolution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.